Hello and welcome to the Crunch Stitch. For materials, you will need a basic size 4 yarn and a 5mm crochet hook. To start, we will chain the multiples of 2 and then add 1 for the foundation chain. Row 1, we will slip stitch into the 3rd chain from hook. This does count as your first half double crochet. Place a half double crochet into the next chain. Slip stitch into the next chain. Repeat the pattern down the row. Half double crochet into the next chain, slip stitch into the chain after that. Repeat this until the end of the row. Make sure to have a slip stitch in the last chain. For row 2, we will chain 2 and turn. This does count as a half double crochet. Skip the first stitch, then place a slip stitch into the half double crochet. One thing I would point out is to make your slip stitches a little loose because slip stitches tend to be a tight stitch. After your slip stitch, you will place a half double crochet into the next slip stitch. Repeat this down the row. Slip stitch into the next half double crochet, then place a half double crochet into the next slip stitch. Repeat row 2 until the desired length. Fasten off and weave in your tails.